Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. At the time of recording my video yesterday, Bitcoin was attempting to decisively break above the 95,000 resistance level for the third time. Momentum initially looked promising, with the price momentarily pushing to 95,300. However, shortly after my upload, the price action sharply reversed, printing aggressive red candles that drove Bitcoin down to 94,000 flat within just 1 hour. During this rapid move, I mentioned inside the Discord that a retest of the 93,700 to 93,300 zone, our lower blue horizontal channel of historical support and resistance, was becoming increasingly probable. The subsequent recovery bounce to 94,300, where price is consolidating at the moment, appears relatively weak. However, we should not dismiss the potential for latent bullish momentum to build as we transition into Monday's session, particularly with fresh institutional demand flowing from ETF inflows. Adding another layer to the bullish narrative, Arizona's strategic Bitcoin reserve proposal is approaching its final vote on Monday. Should it pass, Arizona would become the first U.S. state to officially purchase Bitcoin for its reserves. Such news could further amplify positive market sentiment in an already supply-constrained environment. Turning to the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can clearly identify the hottest cluster of liquidity around 93,300. This liquidity magnet aligns perfectly with the lower boundary of the horizontal support zone discussed earlier. From a structural perspective, the market may seek to hunt liquidity at these lower levels before staging any substantial recovery move. The critical question now is whether there is enough time for Bitcoin to revisit this 93,300 liquidity pocket before ETF inflows and bullish macro news potentially drive a breakout toward the 96,000 region. Timing will be crucial, and traders should stay agile. I wish you all a great start in the new week. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.